Hi, friends. I want to share right now just a short little practice. It's part of a compassion related practice called Savoring the Good. And this might be something that's a little bit helpful to us these days where things may feel particularly stressful and worrisome. And this is not to deny those things in the least. That is reality, and we need to look at that straight ahead, straight on. This is a practice that encourages us or reminds us to notice things that are also good. And a lot of times, because of our negativity bias, we tend to focus on things that are troublesome, difficult, worrisome, fearful. And we tend to overlook things also available to us that are helpful and nourishing and beautiful and good. And so, just to sort of set the balance of that a little bit more evenly, or to be more balanced between the negative and the positive, this is a short practice just in noticing and really savoring things available to us that are good. So let's do a short practice on this, and as always, you can continue on longer on your own after this particular video meditation session ends. So finding a posture that feels comfortable, where you can be relaxed and yet alert. If you're sitting in a chair, see if the back spine can be straight, but without a lot of tension. Hands resting comfortably in the lap or on the thighs, feet both on the floor. The eyes can close gently now or just be held in a downcast gaze with a soft focus. And we're going to take a moment to really settle into the body by noticing our breath. Maybe taking one or two full breaths. It's really helpful to arrive in our bodies. And as the breath settles and resumes its natural rhythm, really feeling into the places where you're supported by the chair or surface that you're sitting on, by the feet on the floor, the contact between the hands if they are touching. Just taking a moment to scan through the body, inviting any areas that may be holding tension to release that tension, starting with the forehead. You might notice whether the forehead is holding, frowning or furrowed or holding some tension, and just see if that can be smoothed. Really, it's just an allowing the muscles to relax. Same with the jaw, muscles around the eyes and the mouth. Just even imagining a smoothing of those muscles. And with the shoulders, sometimes it's actually helpful to raise the shoulders up with some tension and then just allow them to release. Sometimes it's helpful to do that with the breath. So if you breathe in, shoulders come up, and out, shoulders come down. See if you can feel the difference. And allowing the weight of gravity to just pull the arms down, wherever the hands rest. Gravity holds them there. Same thing with your whole torso and hips as they sit and are supported And with the legs and then the feet, supported by gravity, supported by the earth. You might take just a moment to notice the whole body as a whole body. Supported and held in this space, in this moment, safe and secure. And now calling to mind something recent that you experienced or encountered that's a positive thing. It could be a gaze of a loved one, a gesture from a loved one. It could be something visual, a beautiful sight in the natural world. Perhaps flowers, trees, sky. Some moment that you can recall that just felt good. And you might enjoy a process of bringing several of these to mind. And they're there to return to, of course, and remember and recall any time. But for now, choosing one and really bringing it fully into your awareness. Maybe even breathing it in. And really allowing this positive experience, moment that we have recognized, to just fully allow it to rest within you, inside you, around you. Seeing if you can really soak it in. Like a sponge absorbing water. You imagine every cell of your body is just soaking in this positive experience. Allowing yourself to just be bathed by it, bathed in it. So it's really just allowing ourselves to savor, really savor this good thing. And as we sit with it and as we feel it in our bodies, we're actually really subtly changing our brain as we do this. We're lighting up some healthy areas of the brain that respond to things that are positive and good. We're connecting some pathways in our brain just by spending these moments allowing and receiving the good. And now I invite you to, if you wish, continue sitting for as long as you may like, breathing in this good thing, taking it fully into your body and into your cells. for as long as you wish. And for the rest of us, you may gently again return to the notion of the whole body as it sits. Taking a couple of deeper breaths, gently opening the eyes, returning to this space and time that you're in. And I'll see you next time. Be well.